Sometimes during the dreams, we discover that we are having a crazy situation, but that had a relation with what we live during the day or what is worrying us. So all those images are the different responses that our double is bringing. But if we want to sleep in peace, I wouldn't recommend that we go to sleep thinking of these problems, because if the double will be processing that, then we will be having a very stressful sleep. But if we go to sleep in peace, in harmony, like being neutral, trying to leave all our problems loose and send them to the, I call it an initial observer or point zero, like a vacuum that will take everything, all our worries away. Like when you are meditating, that you let loose or you let pass like clouds, everything, all the thoughts and everything that is worrying to you. All these worries have to be left behind, or let them pass. Don't fight against them, and try to make any exercise you already know, like when you meditate or when whatever you use to calm yourself, to be in peace, to be neutral, and leave it everything to your double. It's important because then your double will look not only in the programs of the past, that is like all the memories of it could be even living organisms that are not human, like animals or whatever experience an organism had to survive a program or a problem. So that is kept on a quantic field. So it's better not to go again to the past and to the past and to the past for responses that are not so useful. But then it's better if our double brings new responses from the frequency of the future. He can anticipate, or he can bring more balanced responses or answers, even the ones we like, I don't know, I lost the key, I don't find the car key, or I don't find whatever information or document I'm looking for. Then leave it to the double, and the double will continue processing this information like for 40 days. So if we are going to sleep in peace, we are going to notice that next day we will wake up feeling more relaxed. And that is a good sign that we did it all right, that we went to sleep in a relaxed way and that we had a nice sleep. We will notice that we are waking up with a smile on our face. But the double also works during the day. How does it process information? Well, when we capture information with our senses, one of these dimensions of being, like it can be like mentally, or we can have emotions,